I've been watching Joel Salatin and his commercial pasture-reared operation for a long time on YouTube, and also been watching some other guys in America who do the same thing, and I've just always wanted to go out to a farm like that just to see how they raise pork. So we got to go to Eddie's Eggs, and if you live in South Africa then you might know about them. It's actually an organic citrus farm, and they have used the chickens to fertilize in between the trees and to mow the lawn. So that is really, it was such an amazing opportunity, and yeah, I'm so super excited to show you guys what it looks like. So here we are, folks, Eddie's Eggs. What a treat to finally see this place in person. Just look at all those happy hens. This is behind the scenes in the mobile chicken tractors. Here you can see on the right are the baskets which catch the eggs once they're laid, and then you can also see how nicely they've laid the nesting boxes out with some AstroTurf just to make it a little bit more comfortable. This is the roosting area, so you can see that's where they perch on at night, and this sort of keeps them safe from predators as well. And over here are the nesting boxes, and you can see the little curtains in front there because the girls, they like a little bit of privacy, you know, when they're laying their eggs.
Usually their trees, there's nothing under the trees, it's just trees and sand. But we've got grass because we can't kill anything. So what my dad thought years ago before Eddie's Eggs started is he thought, what can I do with the grass under the trees? Because there's grass, maybe let me try cows. So he put cows in, but the cows ate the trees. You know, so he had to think about something else. So he tried pigs, but pigs pushed trees over. So then he thought, okay, look, chicken. Let me try chicken. Because the chickens would love to have the grass. You know? So he thought, okay, if I start chickens, I'm going to start chickens and feed them as closely as organic as possible. So I don't know, I'm not going to go into GMOs because that's a big job. But so we basically make our own food. We make it as well as we can. And yeah, so we make our own food, and then he tried a couple of chickens and try to sell the eggs, but the customers tend to, or just really love the idea of these chickens that walk around freely and got fed this really good food. So we started getting more and more of these caravans, and now we've got a couple of thousand, about 5,000 chickens at the moment.
Now these are your Lohmann Brown chickens. They eat non-medicated feed, and they eat grass and insects. They've never been vaccinated or medicated apart from the probiotics that they receive when they arrive from the hatchery. And most notably is the pleasant smell that you get. It's unlike that you find in the egg factories. Well, that's what I call them. They're just factories. And these hens also get to move every day. So they're moving away from all the pathogens and pests and things that would normally infest when they're in the same place all the time. So after seeing Eddie's Eggs and seeing the kind of chickens that they got, the Lohmann Browns, we decided to get a few of our own just to make sure that we're going to get good, nice, big eggs. So far we've only got one that's laying, but they're still young, and it's a beautiful big brown shop egg. They are in quarantine at the moment, and after a while we will put them in with the rest of the chickens, and that is going to be amazing.